Today I'll teach you how to delete all your liked videos on TikTok. You can just click on profile and you can see this option called with a heart with a little eye crossed at the middle of my screen. If I click on it, it's going to show me all the liked videos. Now I cannot delete the liked videos because I did not create it. Only the creator of the video can delete the liked videos. What I can do is just click on some of the videos and unlike them. If I unlike them, then basically they will be removed from my like history. So this is the only way you guys can delete your liked videos on TikTok. And if you want to delete all of your liked videos from TikTok, then there is not an option in TikTok which just allows you to unlike all your video. You just have to go through the video individually like this and start unliking them like this, alright? Because there is no other option that you can just click and all your liked video gets removed from your TikTok. No, it doesn't work like that. You have to do it individually. There is one way, and that one way is to just delete your TikTok account. If you just delete your TikTok account, then everything along with the liked video is also going to be deleted. And if you want to use TikTok again, then you just have to create a new account in order to start using TikTok again. So this is the only option you guys have. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.